Alright guys, we just finished up this 2019 Hino 195 DC model. Customer wanted a COMPUSTAR alarm with remote start and a kill switch with the drone mobile, so he could do it all off his phone. And he got the T13 remote, lock, this arm, hold it down, remote start. It's got the wait to start for the diesel. There you have it. We also installed a BlackVue front and rear dash camera with the LTE module. We ran the rear camera all the way back here on a bracket. Came out really clean. And then we installed 2 new dash speakers with an Alpine Hino, the F511 11-inch screen. There you go, right there. Put the key in the ignition and we'll do the takeover. So there's your Alpine. That's an 11-inch full touchscreen. We've got the backup camera showing up top for him. This will do wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto on an 11-inch screen.